If you've ever wanted to quickly rearrange your Blender workspace without manually rebuilding every panel, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to swap windows in Blender using a fast shortcut that can save you a lot of time while organizing your layout. This is especially useful if you work with the 3D Viewport, UV Editor, Shader Editor, or any other Blender panel and want them in a better position for your workflow. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials. Now, let's get straight into it. First, identify the two windows you want to swap. For example, you might want to move the 3D viewport into the spot of the UV editor, or switch two other editors around so your workspace feels more efficient. Once you know which two windows you want to exchange, look for the small corner area where the borders meet. This is the tiny rounded corner at the edge of the window, and it's the key to making the shortcut work. Now, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While holding Ctrl, click and drag from the corner of the first window directly into the second window. As you drag, Blender will recognize that you're trying to swap the editors rather than resize them. When you release the mouse, the two windows will instantly trade places. It's that simple. No complicated menu navigation, no extra setup. Just a quick drag and drop shortcut that helps you reorganize your interface in seconds. This is a great trick to know if you frequently customize your Blender layout for modeling, sculpting, texturing, or rendering. Once you get used to it, swapping windows becomes one of those little workflow improvements that makes Blender feel much faster and more flexible. If you accidentally miss the corner, just try again and make sure you're grabbing from the actual border intersection, not the middle of the panel. That small detail makes all the difference. And if you're switching between editors often, this shortcut can really help keep your screen setup clean and efficient. So to recap, find the two windows, hold Ctrl, drag from the corner of one panel into the other, and release to swap them instantly. If this Blender shortcut helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials, tips, and workflow tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.